In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can get Roblox on your Nintendo Switch. So the first thing we need to do is we need to open it up. We will then need to go to the bottom, head over to our settings. Now, once we do this, you want to then scroll down until you see the option for internet. Go to internet settings. And then from here, you want to wait till your network shows up. And then you simply want to then click on your Wi-Fi network. Once you select this, click on change settings. Now you want to go down until you see the option for DNS settings. You then want to change this to manual. And then what you now need to do is you want to go to primary DNS and then you want to enter in this exact primary DNS. So 045.055.142.122. Once you enter this in exactly, go and click on OK. Click on save. And then from here, you now need to go and select connect to this network. Now, once you do this, what this will do is it will then fail, and then I will then show you the next step. So as you can see, this has now failed. If we click on next, what this will allow us to do is it will allow us to access Google. You will then be able to enter in a URL and also search for Roblox. Once you go in, you can then log into your account and then you will then be able to access Roblox as you would usually and play any of the games on screen. Now, if you then want to go back and look at any online features, all you simply need to do is go back and change your DNS settings from manual back to automatic, and then the primary DNS will then be saved if you want to access Roblox at a later date. So it's just that simple. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.